Congratulations, graduate. With honors, based in sports, based in academic, based in science, based in math, and based in Filipino. Masipag na mag-aaral, matulungin sa kapwa, walang talo, palaging panalo, maalalahanin sa kapwa, pala kaibigan, based in helpful, based in industrious, based in communication to each other, to the school students. Once again, congratulations. School year 2023